Patay ako.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ayun na, nag-chat si Ate Baby sa'yo, oh.
Pasyal-pasyal, mamimili ng foodie
Dito to yan.
para sa aming swimming. Traffic.
So traffic, guys. So we're here on, we're almost near in Santa Lucia. Oh, di mo ako ka?
My daughter.
Hi, I'm his son.
Oh, son. What? My daughter.
I'm his daughter.
And we're going to...
Hindi lang halata, but I'm his very own favorite daughter because
What?
I can
You say
sing.
what?
I'm a
What?
talent. I'm the most talented daughter that he has. I am. I can sing. I can dance.
No?
Yes, I am. I can. You know that.
Bola lang yan.
Sometimes I am teaching you how to dance, right? Some steps, and then they said I'm smart, but I'm still thinking about that if that's true or they're just bluffing. And then right now we're on our way to Marikina. What's it you call that? Market.
What did you call it? What did you call it?
Marikina Market
What
because
did you call
we're
it?
going to get some groceries for our upcoming what's it called that, Nanay? Outing.
Vacation.
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 Vacation in
Vacation.
Basa Antipolo City. Because
Vacation.
we're going out with our whole family together with the Suwal family and the Dion family. So me and my parents decided to come up with this kind of vacation
And
to refresh our minds.
and also shout out to all the girls I loved before.
Yuck! Like, as if they're pretty. Yuck. Ew, it's not giving. My mother is the most beautiful. You can check that out.
No,
Her
no, no,
name
no,
is
no,
Leia
no, no.
Ladion.
Never mind.
You can check that out, guys. You see, oh, look at the result of their love. Look. Do you think my mother is not pretty if I'm not like this?
Ayaw.
She's
Bahala sa buhay
shy.
mo.
She's shy because she didn't do makeup today because again we're just going to the grocery market. How? Grocery market? Is there a difference between that words?
Bye na for now.
Okay guys, so since we're on our way, my father needs to focus on the road, so be right back. Bye bye. Buddy.
Panis.